Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to reset network settings on iPhone. Now, you might want to do this if you want to reset all your network settings. This can help out with internet or other types of network issues that you might have been facing. Now, on an iPhone, you will just click on settings and then you can click on general and you can scroll all the way down to see this option where it says transfer or reset iPhone. Click on this and then click on reset here and then click on reset network settings. Once you do that, type in your password and then this is the final button. Once you click on this red reset network settings button, everything will be reset. All your old Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections or VPN connections will be gone. It will go back to the factory default settings. So make sure you remember the Wi-Fi password before you do this. It's important because if you forget, you might not be able to connect again. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.